Yeah, bow drill is just a drill. So you can actually use this like a hammer drill to make fire. You don't need a bow or a handhold. You have to make a bit, and it has to be small enough to fit in the drill. And it's pretty important that it's really straight, because otherwise you'll have a bit that just goes around and around like this. And you have to be careful not to push down too hard, or it's really easy to do that, and it'll just eat up through the wood if you push down too hard. But it's the same way as a bow drill. You just start off, and then you can switch directions too, and that helps to build a nice fluffy ember. I need a leaf under here, don't I? All right. Drill and fire.
I saw a spark.